You don't hurry love, no, you just have to wait. They say love won't come easy. It's a game of give and take, oh.
Give and take? Isn't that how relationships should be? Good day everyone, I am Lucicen Albangayan and I am here to prove that having mutual relationships affects the student's education nowadays. Have you ever been in a mutual relationship? Have you ever compromised your studies towards this? Have you ever thought of the consequences? Mutual relationships are relationships that involve two persons being more than friends but less than lovers. But what is its connection to our studies? It's because of the uncertainty that results to the failure to balance both our studies and our relationship. Furthermore, there is a tendency to be taken for granted in a way that you would prioritize them more than your studies. Mutual relationships gives us distractions. For example, you find yourself daydreaming inside the classroom without noticing that you are not listening to your professor anymore. You also forget to review your notes because you keep on checking your phone for his text messages. You are less focused and concentrated in studying for your exams. As a result, you earn lower grades. See the consequences? What will happen if you realize that you wasted your time on you rather than focusing on your studies? You will end up regretting the relationship and the time you wasted. Mutual relationship is a big no-no. It wastes your time, it affects your grades, and most especially, it changes your priorities in life. So, would you still like to be in a mutual relationship? I guess not. As the song says, you don't hurry love, you just have to wait. Love takes time, and love comes whenever we are ready. So, prioritize your studies, earn good grades, and make yourself proud. After all, we don't need partners in life. As long as we have good friends who support us all the way, we would be inspired and we would pursue life in living it to its fullest. As for the success of this speech, I would like to thank my high school friends, Cressa, Fatima, Rachel, and Roxy. This has been Lucicen Albangayan. Thank you for watching.